Hi viewers, you are watching and sure will be enjoyed top places in Michigan, the best place for visiting. Please don't forget like, share and subscribe my travel mania. Number 10, Tahquamenon Falls. The Tahquamenon Falls are a series of waterfalls on the Tahquamenon River, shortly before it empties into Lake Superior, in the northeastern Upper Peninsula of Michigan. They are the largest waterfalls in Michigan, and one of the largest in the eastern half of North America. To reach the upper falls, it is a 1/3 mile walk, all flat ground, to the upper accessible viewing area, but there are also 94 steps to reach the brink, closer viewing spots. It's so worth it though. You can get great viewing without climbing the stairs too. To avoid crowds and find ample parking available, plan to visit before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. Number 9, Ann Arbor. Ann Arbor is a city west of Detroit, in the Midwestern state of Michigan. It's home to the sprawling University of Michigan, known for its research programs. The University of Michigan Museum of Art displays works from around the globe and spanning centuries. Science-focused attractions in the city include the Museum of Natural History and the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum, with kid-friendly interactive exhibits. One of the many things Ann Arbor is known for is food. Visitors and locals alike enjoy the variety and diversity of the many locally owned eateries. Number 8, Holland. Holland is a city on the shore of Lake Makatawa, in Michigan. The much photographed Big Red Lighthouse stands by the channel that connects this lake to Lake Michigan. Nearby, the beachfront Holland State Park shelters deer and migratory birds. Windmill Island Gardens is home to Dus Van, a centuries-old windmill. Holland, Michigan, is a town for all seasons. Nestled on the shore of Lake Michigan, across the lake and a bit north of Chicago, Holland is a beautiful and very cultured town and worth a visit. May's Tulip Time Festival, recalling Holland's Dutch roots, sees tulips blooming all over the city. Number 7, Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore. Superior in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. It's known for the dramatic multicolored Pictured Rocks cliffs. Unusual sandstone formations like Miners Castle and Chapel Rock define the park's headlands. 12-Mile Beach has a trail through a nearby white birch forest. Remnants of shipwrecks dot the shoreline around Osable Point's 19th century lighthouse. Fall is fantastic. Our favorite month is September for Pictured Rocks, as we like to hike when it's not too hot and the fall colors are tremendous, which is great for scenic views and photography. Summer is the best time for swimming and camping, but the bugs will be present during certain times. Number 6, Saugatuck. Saugatuck is a city in Allegan County in the U.S. state of Michigan. The population was 865 at the 2020 census. The city is within SAUGATUCK Township but is administratively autonomous. SAUGATUCK was awarded Best Beach Town 2020 by Midwest Living magazine. Art lovers can find many galleries and studios here to explore. The area is also known for its pristine Lake Michigan beaches, award-winning wineries and breweries, and LGBTQ community. SAUGATUCK became a notable artistic hub and tourist destination towards the end of the 19th century. Because of its location on Lake Michigan and its many art galleries and cute downtown area, Michigan travelers venture from all over to head here in the summer. Number 5. Traverse City. Traverse City is a city in the U.S. state of Michigan. It is the county seat of Grand Traverse County, although a small portion extends into Leelanau County. It is the largest city in the 21-county northern Michigan region. The best time to visit Traverse City is from June to August. The main reason for this is the weather. During this time, daytime highs hover in the mid-70s to 80s and sunshine is abundant. Traverse City is known as the cherry capital of the world. The area is also known for its natural attractions like freshwater beaches, vineyards, wineries, and the proximity to Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. Number 4. Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids is a Michigan city on the Grand River, east of Lake Michigan. On the outskirts, the Frederick Meyer Gardens and Sculpture Park has a tropical conservatory and multiple gardens. Its art collection includes works by Auguste Rodin, Henry Moore, and Ai Weiwei. Downtown, the Grand Rapids Art Museum spotlights Michigan artists in its rotating shows. Grand Rapids is known for many breweries dotted around town. Grand Rapids, Michigan is a perfect mix of arts and culture, breweries and restaurants, shopping and outdoor activities, and just plain fun. Number 3. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore. Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore is in Michigan's Lower Peninsula. It hugs the northeast shore of Lake Michigan and includes the South and North Manitou Islands. The park is known for the huge scalable dunes of the dune climb. Beaches include Platte River Point, where the river flows into the lake. The Sleeping Bear Heritage Trail winds through forests in the Port Oneida area with its 19th-century farmsteads. Summer, May to August, is the best time of year to visit if you want to swim and enjoy the beaches. Summer months bring the warmest temperatures at Sleeping Bear Dunes. But summer crowds come with them. Number 2. Detroit. Detroit is the largest city in the Midwestern state of Michigan. Near downtown, the neoclassical Detroit Institute of Arts is famed for the Detroit industry murals painted by Diego Rivera, and inspired by the city's ties to the auto industry, giving it the nickname Motor City. Detroit is also the birthplace of Motown Records, whose chart-topping history is on display at their original headquarters, Hitsville, USA. Detroit is one of America's most iconic cities. The Motor City is widely known as the birthplace of the modern automobile, but it also has a rich music scene known for its Motown sound and underground techno scene. Detroit also features world-class museums with works from Van Gogh, John Singer Sargent, Degas, and more. Number 1. Mackinac Island. Mackinac Island sits in Lake Huron, between Michigan's Upper and Lower Peninsulas. Mackinac Island State Park, with trails, woods, and the limestone arch rock formation, covers most of the island. Mackinac Island is famous for being car-free, horse and carriage rides, bikes, fudge, caramel corn, and saltwater taffy. More than 80% of the island is part of Mackinac Island State Park. Fort Mackinac, the Grand Hotel, and the town's main street are all surrounded by lush trees. The overall best time to visit Mackinac Island is between mid-May and early July. The weather during this time is excellent.